Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to use Nearby Share between Android phones. So let's get started. First, make sure that both location and Bluetooth are turned on both Android phones. Over here, swipe down to open the Quick Settings menu. After that, tap the Nearby Share icon to turn it on. Over here, choose your visibility option, Contacts, Your Devices, or Everyone. Then choose the Gmail account associated with Nearby Share if needed. Over here, open the file that you want to share, such as a photo. Then select the file and tap the Nearby Share icon. After that, if you do not see the icon, open the Share menu and look for Nearby Share. Over here on the receiving Android phone, turn on Nearby Share. Then wait for the sharing notification to appear and tap Accept. After that, the file transfer will begin automatically. Then accept the transfer on the other Android phone and the app will be shared successfully. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.